How are we doing, everyone? Right, okay, so I've been looking around online and I can't find a way to code the e-diff out of like the F chassis using e-sys. I've looked and looked and looked. I know how to do it, but no one can sort of show you online. So I thought I'll just make a quick video how to set up e-sys, connect it to your car, where to go, what to do for your F series. Cool, so the first thing you want to do is connect your car. I'm going to put two links in the description, one to set up e-sys on your computer and the other one how to get familiar with it. Just a disclaimer, if you lot fuck your car up doing this, I ain't being held responsible. Alright, so I'm just going to get that out there now. Okay, cool. So I'm using BCAN Ethernet cable. Yeah, so literally plug it to the OBD port. I like to plug my seatbelt in, leave my hazard lights on and roll my door catch over so to prevent the car from going to sleep. All right, cool. So this is where it gets a bit funky. You need to find out what chassis development you are going to connect to. So this car is an F21 M140. So we're just going to click that F20 because it covers under that umbrella. I connect via VIN. It's got my chassis number there. If it doesn't display your chassis number, you might need to sort of lock the car, let it go to sleep before you try and connect again. So that's how we're going to connect, and we just press connect. I'll zoom out on this. It is a bit lengthy, this software, but anyway, it is what it is. All right, cool. So F21, and that's the integration level from when it left the factory, I assume. There we go, right, so we're connected to the car. First thing we're gonna do, yeah, is read the vehicle. All right, we're gonna double click that so it all comes onto the right hand side, and then we're gonna save it. All right, we are gonna save it as M140I FA. FA is basically the vehicle order. I'm going to call it something like 6 because I've played around with it today. Alright, so with that being saved, you want to come here, click on expert mode, click on coding, and then obviously you'll get this little screen looking like this. So the next thing we're going to do is come over to the right hand side and press read ECU. So that's going to read all the ECUs in the car. It is a bit jumbled up, but if you right click, go to collapse, nothing else but collapse, yeah. If you click code car, you are gonna, yeah, you're gonna fuck your car right up. Okay, so DSC is obviously where we wanna go for e-diff. Coding is always kept in this CAFD file. So now we're gonna right click it, go to read coding data, get another little pop-up box, and close that message. And now you see it's turned into a folder. So now we can open that. It's got yellowy colour, yellowy golden. Right click again and edit FDL. In the newer version of e-sys, it might come up with something else, but it's the same thing. So we're going to click that, and it's going to take us to a world of new pages. Cool. So 3000 is where we're going to want to play. And then in here, we can literally just type in diff. It is all in German, so if you know the language, you're even better with this than us. All right, cool. So we searched it. It's highlighted it. So we're going to press the plus, and then we're going to go down to this bottom, whatever that means, yeah. And that's going to tell us if it's active or not. So as you can see, I've coded mine, so it says not active. But if you want to change it to active or whatever, right click, go edit. And then you can just change active or not. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to pretend. And then we want to come up here and press save. Cool, so now that's saved. So once you finish your coding, you save it. And then you go back, and you're back to the first page. So just still make sure you're highlighted. Where's my mouse gone? You're highlighted where you want. So for example, we was here, DSC, CAFD. Right, bang. So that's it. And literally all we're gonna do now is come over here and press code FDL. And then once you hit code, I'll do it anyway. You're gonna get this screen. Car's gonna make some funky noises inside. A typical BMW boing. You shall hear it in a minute probably. There you go. Cool, and then it says finished. And literally all you do, close that screen, close that, and you come up here, right? Before you pull the leads out, click on this one again, just to disconnect it. So that's gonna break the connection to the vehicle. Once you've done that, then simply unplug your shit. Ideally, let the car go asleep for 5-10 minutes, then go out. Again, if you fuck your car up doing this, it is not my problem. Yeah, I'm just literally showing you how to do it, what to do. But if you start playing with other stuff and you go elsewhere, then may the Lord have mercy on you guys.